Hello there and welcome to another reading video. Let's practice the sounds of the letters from F to J. Here we go. Remember, listen and repeat. F. Fan. Fire. Fish. Okay, great job. Here we go. G. 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 Ghost. Girl. Gold. All right, good job. Next one. H. Hat. Hair. House. All right, next letter. I. It. Ink. Ill. Igloo. All right, next letter. J. 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 Jewel. Jet. Jump. All right, great job, well done. So let's review the sounds of the letters. Remember, listen and repeat. Here we go. G. G. It. J. J. All right, good job, well done. So, quiz time. So this time, listen to the sound, then touch the letter. Okay, here we go. G. G. Touch the letter. G. This one. It. This one. All right, next. This one. All right, next letter. J. J. This one. All right. It's this one. Okay, good job. So this time, please look at the letters. When it flashes, please say the letter. Then listen, and I will say the answer. All right, here we go. J. G. J. It. All right, well, that's it for today. Good job, well done. So, if you found this video useful, please like the video. If you think your friends would find this video useful, please share it with your friends. If you have a comment, please write it down below. I do read all of the comments. And if you'd like to study some more English today, here are some more videos you can watch. And let's study English together soon. Goodbye.